Okay, push it, Deej. There you go. Okay, go now.
All right, drivers.
30 seconds left.
On the sound of the tone.
You got any marshals?
I hope so. Oh, Deej. Oh, don't.
Go, Marshall. Look before you go.
Oh, man. Put him on top. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Who's over there?
That's the buddy.
Damn it. Oh, what's the deal?
Come here, check.
Oh, what? Oh, come on, Dave. Right there, right there, right there. In front, in front. Kenneth, right there. Man, you looked at it, dude.
Yeah, not the race. Watch your area, guys.
Wow, that hurt. That hurt a ton. Oh, man. That's a wheelie. Oh, okay.
Hold the line. Don't stop. Never stop.
Oh, David. Oh, you stupid head. Come on, come on. Thank you.
4 minutes left.
4 minutes left. Drivers, running order. DJ, Dave, Cody, Frankie, Josh, and Scott.
Oh, wow. A little brain fart right there. Ooh, that was close. Oh, I got that back.
Three minutes left.
Operator, drivers, the running order is DJ, Dave, Cody, Frankie, Josh, and Scott.
Two minutes left.
Over there, Frankie. He's
Got a car, Frankie. Just Scott. Thank you. Oh, man. Thank you.
One minute left. 1 minute to go, guys. Order in order. DJ, David, Cody, Frankie, Josh, and Scott.
Ow, that hurt.
Ten seconds, drivers. 10 seconds.
I thought I was about to run into that.
To be your-
I was wondering.
No, we need to get
The dude screwed me and screwed both of them.
The
Oh,
race is over.
oh, on the pipe, on the pipe, on the pipe. Oh, come on. Darn it.
Car 3 is done.
Josh, you're done.
Got a lap down, darn it.
Car 5 is done.
Frankie, you're done.
Car 6 is
DJ,
done.
you're done. Dave, you're done.
Car 4 is done.
Cody, you're
Oh,
done. No more car on the track, people.
oh, pictures, pictures.
We gotta loosen this.
Oh,
Finishing order.
thank